Hello, everyone. Again, I'm Ivan Martins. As I presented before, I'm the postdoc researcher of the Brazilian case study, and I will be presenting on behalf of our team today. Our case study, first vision, it's focusing on small-scale fishing, or the conflict that it's affecting or involving the small-scale fishing activities and the traditional communities and territories in the coastal zone of São Paulo state in Brazil. Before talking about the study area, I would like to briefly introduce our project team. We have a team of about 20 partners. These parts are multi-sector and a transdisciplinary team that ranging from researchers from different disciplines, as listed here in the presentation, and non-academic partners, as the environmental officers from the 3 marine protected areas that involve the coastal region that we are working, and some civil society organizations, and also some representatives from the grassroots social movements linked to the small-scale fishing activities in the area. As I presented before, the project leader and coordinator is Professor Ronaldo Cristofoletti, that it's now joining us here in the meeting. Our study area is the coastal zone of São Paulo state, a region with a mix of interests and disputes, but also with different development categories between the regions. As we can see in the map, there are 3 main regions in the area. Each of the marine area of the region are covered by one large marine protected area, and the board of this marine protected area are important arenas for debate and mobilization around these conflicts. We have also different characteristics between the regions. The central area, the red one, are the most urbanized and industrialized area. The north region, in green, it's well-preserved area, but experience a large economic growth, mostly linked to harbor and oil and gas activities. While in south region, the purple one, it's the most preserved, and with the activity most linked to fishing, agriculture, and tourism. So due to the diversity of characteristics and disputes that we have in our site, we decide not to choose the case study among the team partners, but given step back and build this, understand the broad range of conflicts in the site, and choose or pick the conflicts with the actors involved in the territory. So we did that through a broad participatory process, an online process, because due to the COVID situation. We have an online survey after 3 workshops, 1 workshop for each of the regions, to complement the conflicts and to understand the peculiarities of one of the regions. By the end of the workshops, each of these key actors that attend the workshops, the stakeholders that attend the workshops, indicate the priority conflicts for their regions. As we can see here in the middle of the slide, most of the stakeholders attending this survey and the workshops are fishers, followed by public agency and civil society organization. All the case of conflicts, close to 140 case of conflicts reported for the region, we have organized and systematized in 12 categories of conflicts that is listed here. With the 4 in red, the 4 one in the top are the ones that are considered the priority by the actors and the stakeholders that attend this meeting. We are defining the case study collaboratively from within the project team, and we should be working with a Fisheries legislation on specific key features legislation that were the most reported and considered to be a priority for the 3 regions. This is a top-down legislation that is most of all incompatible with the livelihoods and way of productions of the small-scale fishing communities in the area. At the moment, we are building the research action plan to address this conflict. So it's something that we are working on now to link to the work package of the project and also to do some in-depth analysis. What we have is that this process of this participatory co-design process that we just have with the stakeholders give us a good engagement and trust relations with them, and we expect that it to help us in the next steps of the project. So this is what I have to present now.